Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use the MidJourney styles and parameters for unique AI art. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to craft a solid base prompt. Start a clear, descriptive prompt for your image idea, like this example prompt here. You can be specific or creative as you want, and the more details, the better. And then also you can add a style keywords, like for example, cinematic, vaporwave, digital painting, anime concept, and more. To give your image a distant look, include the style related keywords. And also you can use the MidJourney parameters. AR means aspect ratio. Then V means version number, Q means quality, seed consistency, and style raw or style cute apply specific rendering aesthetic. And now here's the real customization happens. The parameter control how MidJourney process your prompt. And then you can experiment with the combinations. You can apply the mix and match different styles and parameters to see what kind of art you produce, like this example here. And then also you can add an image reference. You can control how strongly MidJourney using the following it's using. And that's it. Now you're ready to create a unique personalized AI art with MidJourney styles and parameters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.